Are these 318s?
They are.
Wow. That peak's really low too. It's a lower end response. It's kind of different. It's kind of hard to explain.
It's tuned to about 29 and a half. It seems to really do good at about 27 and a half, 28.
Okay. Yeah. I was noticing it's just... Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh. Wow, that looks really good.
Yeah, well, I had to take some stuff apart to fix some stuff. You know how that goes.
Yes, sir.
But
are these 318s?
they are.
Wow. What? Could you tell me your name and the equipment real quick?
Sure. Dale Harris, and it's DC audio level 6 18s.
Okay.
And they're all powered by Trauma amplifiers.
Nice. What size amps?
It's the Trauma 3Ks, one per sub.
Mm-hmm.
And then we've got the 400s or the 100.4s in the door.
Nice. What is your electrical like?
It's stock electrical with a couple of marine batteries in the back.
Mm-hmm. Right. So you don't have a output alternator yet?
I do not.
Really? Okay.
I do not.
Awesome. All right. And who built this?
I did.
Nice. That's a big port.
It is.
Wow. What are you tuned to on it?
It's tuned to about 29 and a half.
Okay, so pretty low.
It is. It is.
Nice.
Because I like to listen to it when it's slow.
Yes, sir. Did you ever get it metered?
I did. Best I've done so far has been 153.9 on the burp and 151.2 30-second music continuous.
That's good. Yeah. Awesome. All right. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Dale system he was showcasing at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show. So go ahead and give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I was really impressed, and I like the way he has a layout of 3 subwoofers, triple sub, 18-inch subs in his wall of his truck, and actually fitting this much cone area. Most people would have only have done 2 or 3 15s, but he made 3 18s fit in there. So be sure to give him a like. I like the port area layout. Of course, it's a little unique being a square port instead of a long slot port, but it got the job done. And the way he has the layout of the subs is so the seats won't hit with them being low enough so the back of the headrest kind of hits the top panel of the wall. So really smart idea to do it that way. And the way he has his port tuning down into the high to low 20 hertz range really helped with the low end response you'll see during the demo. And these subwoofers, I'm pretty sure they're rated at between 4.5 and 5,000 watts RMS. With these 3 amps, I didn't really get a close-up of them, but they're 3,000 watt RMS amps, so they're definitely underpowered for the subs. Got the job done. He made it to the show with 9,000 watts on tap between 3 18-inch subs. Of course, he has a stock electrical alternator, so he doesn't have a full turn-up knob for this demo. So hit the subscribe button for daily videos and enjoy.
too. It's a lower end response. It's kind of different. It's kind of hard to explain. What are you peaking at? Like low 30s, or where are you at on that?
It's what the board's tuned to about 29 and a half. It seems to really do good at about 27 and a half, 28.
Okay. Yeah. I was noticing it's just felt a little bit lower. So definitely a different feeling. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, man.
Awesome.
I enjoyed it, buddy.
Thank you very much. What was your name?
Dale Harris.
Dale. Thank you, Dale.
Yes, sir.